eyes off and be really quick because he's very fast. So keep your eyes open and your mouth closed and enjoy the show.
Watch out. Let him hop through.
This is Cisco. Cisco is a Harris's hawk. He is actually not native to this area, which makes him very special among the raptors actually. All of our other birds are native to Wisconsin. The Harris's hawk is native to the Southwest and to parts of South America. And they're very, very unique birds. They have some special characteristics. One is their flying agility.
Oh, that hawk's good. That's
So
pretty cool.
what Lindsay and Sarah are doing here is enticing Cisco to fly from glove to glove with a very small piece of meat. Hawks and all raptors are not like dogs. They do not do anything because they want to please you. They only do things because they would like something tasty to eat. And in Cisco's case, it means a piece of raw rat or mouse. Now Lindsay is going to move further up the steps to give Cisco a little bit more flying time. And if he's cooperative today, she'll get all the way up to the top and he'll be flying right over your heads. The reason Cisco flies so well is that he is a former falconry bird. Well, I mean, he can fly well anyway. But the reason he flies well from person to person is that he's learned to cooperate with people because he was a falconry bird. And you'll notice how he comes in, he flies with his feet back, and as he comes into the glove, he puts his feet down and in front of him. That's the same way that most raptors catch their prey. So just watch him. The next time he comes to Lindsay, watch his feet. That's how they pretty much stun and sometimes kill their prey. Because they're coming in at a high rate of speed. They flip over at the last minute and just basically sink down and grab the prey. Their talons are extremely sharp and their toes are also extremely strong. So if you get grabbed by a Harris's hawk, even a person near your arm, he will perforate your arm pretty easily. There he goes.
Does he keep on flying that right?
He has exceptionally large feet and toes. Harris's hawks are known for being able to take quite large prey, which is not typical of all birds. Typically a bird, a raptor, can take prey that's about a third or half of its own body weight. The Harris's hawk will actually hunt prey that is larger than he is. And one of the ways they get away with this is that they hunt cooperatively. And that's also very
Oh my God. She's right there.
Holy mackerel.
Most of the raptors will hunt singly. Harris's hawks will line up in a bunch, and they've got a couple of different things. They'll mob a prey, 4 or 5 hawks together. He's thinking about it. There he goes. Cisco's got quite a personality, and he pretty much does what Cisco wants to do. So you kind of have to watch his body language to determine if he's going to be in a good mood today. And he does seem to be on his best behavior. Oops, it's not time yet. They're waiting for the signal. Lindsay lifts her hand with the glove on it, and that is his signal to fly. He's not supposed to fly at her if her glove isn't in the air. And that's why Sarah didn't let go of the jesses. Those little leather things that are hanging from his feet, are called jesses, and that's how the handler controls the bird when it's on the glove, because you don't want him to fly off just willy-nilly. You want him to fly when you're hoping he'll fly. So Harris's hawks will fly cooperatively. They're not the fastest flyers, and they don't have the most stamina of all of the raptors, and that's one of the reasons they work together. So they will take 3 or 4 hawks together and chase a jackrabbit, which, as you know, is very fast and a large prey animal. And you think about being out in the desert,
right above her head.
jackrabbit has a lot of free space to run underneath that jackrabbit.
Here
So the
comes
hawks
Grace.
solve that problem by
they're
having
done.
2 or 3 hawks chasing the same this same rabbit, and they'll just take turns, like the relay runners at the Olympics. So the first hawk goes until he gets kind of tired, and then he peels off, and another hawk comes in, and so on until the rabbit gets tired and somebody brings the rabbit down. Oh, this is exciting. This is very special. One of Cisco's favorite treats is quail. And he doesn't get it all that often. And what we're going to try to do is throw a special treat up in the air, and he should catch it on the wing, the same way that he would get a bird in the air. Ready? He says, "Where's Lindsay?" Now, because he was such a good bird, we're going to give him a chance to enjoy his quail wing a little bit, which is kind of nice that he's doing it. A lot of the birds don't like to eat in front of people because they're afraid that we're going to run over and take their food. So, but Cisco's got a strong personality. He's not too intimidated by any of us. But if you get up close to Cisco, you would be intimidated by him. So in the wild, you'll see that he's on the ground. This bird also will go after prey on the ground, and they will occasionally even run after the prey. If it's injured, for instance, it's a little chipmunk and it's running along the ground, and they don't have to get up in the air and chase it by air. They'll actually hop after it until they catch the prey. They're very agile birds, they're very acrobatic, and that's why falconers like to work with them. Falconry is a sport and an art where people have pet or captive birds like Cisco, and they actually use the bird to go out and hunt for prey animals. In the past, this was done for practical reasons. People would actually eat the prey that the animals caught. But as I'm sure you all know, it is also quite a high-level sport for kings and princes. If you go back in Oriental art, you'll see wonderful images of Rajas with their hawks and their fabulous hoods that they put on them. So it was quite a nobility sport. Now I think Cisco's done flying for the day. Now that he's had his quail wing, he's pretty much done with us.